Oh, and if you don't know who I am, oh wait. And this is how my hair is going. So here make my hair. And this we're using Hannah's product. And this is the hair that conditioner and shampoo. And we're gonna put in my hair. Right, ready? It's so beautiful. Alright, so my mom is putting her hands into her hair and scrubbing it. Putting some more soap in it. Wait, she's just washing my hair, see? And now she's just putting random stuff, the conditioner on my hair. So yeah, if you can hear it. Yeah, you can hear it. So yeah. Right, now my hair is like wet. Yeah, so we're combing it. And it's so beautiful. It's so cool. And there you go. Now it's like all like combed out. It feels like comb lines. So yeah. Now this is some scalp moisturizer. So they play around me. On the scalp. And just have to like put it around. And that's beautiful. Now I need to fix my lens. And so, and I'm doing my lens, so. Yeah, so this is very moisturizing. See? See the little sixes there? Not sixes. Yes, thank you for watching. Make sure you and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos at all.